Set that right on top, and I got one right here.
I'm Jeremy Nelson.
I'm Joe Hill.
Ignacio Paz.
Kyle Anderson.
This is our 4 times upscale of the Aerotech Cheetah. It's 7.5 inches in diameter, 61 pounds. It's 10.5 feet tall. We're flying it on an Aerotech M2000 Redline. For electronics, we've got a featherweight GPS, perfect flight stratologger, and a MissileWorks RRC3, main at 11 with a backup at 9. If it goes straight in this wind, we should see about 10,000 feet. Should be pretty straightforward.
What do you guys all do for a living?
I make gooey stuff that lights on fire.
All right, good luck everybody.
All right.
Hi, there is a red rocket out there. This is one of the feature flights of LDRS this year. This is from Jeremy Nelson, Joe Hill, Nacho Paz, and Kyle Anderson. This is Team Aerotech. This is the Mega Cheetah. I have never seen an upscale this rocket before, and I love it. It is 7.5 inches diameter, 126 inches long. It's 61 pounds on the pad. It's a 4X upscale of the Aerotech Cheetah, which I know many folks use as their entry into mid-power rocketry. So this is pretty cool to see a big version of it. This has got an Aerotech M2000 Redline motor in it. This is the full M with the Redline propellant. Got to match the flame to the rocket, of course. This is going to be too cool for school. Got a featherweight GPS on board, RRC3 stratologger, dual deploy. And it is the first flight of this rocket. So best of luck to Team Aerotech, Jeremy, Joe, Nacho, and Kyle, the Mega Cheetah M2000 on pad C5. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, straight boost, target to the north. Keep an eye on the drift back over the line here. Let's pick up that range, I do believe.
There it is.
Nice.
Come on. There it is.
All right.
All right, shoot it out under main over to the east. Beautiful flight, guys. Thank you very much.